In this video, I'll show you how to add a profile picture on Facebook using your phone. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen to go to your profile page. On your profile, you will see a blank profile picture or your current photo. Tap on the profile picture area, then select the option that says Select Profile Picture or Upload Photo. Your phone's gallery will open and show the photo saved on your device. Browse through your gallery and tap on the photo you want to use as your profile picture. After selecting the image, you will be able to adjust the photo by moving or zooming it to fit inside the circle. Once the picture looks the way you want, tap Save or Done to apply the changes. Facebook will upload the image and set it as your new profile picture. Your friends and followers will now be able to see the updated photo on your profile and in your posts or comments. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.